Volatility rules Dalal Street, Trump tariff threats and market update. Our call of the day suggests volatility will continue to be the preferred theme at Dalal Street. We say so because the only thing certain under Trump's second innings will be uncertainty. Expect higher volatility in 2025, or rather it will be volatility, and volatility. Blame it on US President Donald Trump, who has threatened 100% tariff on BRICS nations over de-dollarization efforts. The biggest headwind, record exodus from the foreign institutional investors. This January so far, they have sold to the tune of Rs. 56,832.90 crores. Long story short, pessimism still the order of the day as Nifty has crashed and breached below last week's low and most importantly, slipped below the psychological 23,000 mark in yesterday's trade. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 5920 crores while DIIs net bought shares to the tune of Rs 3500 crores. Sentiments are likely to be risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals are suggesting lower high-low pattern and also are breaking on the downside on the daily charts. FANO January month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,000 to 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index has spiked towards 17.05 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th January, is at 0.88 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 30th January, is at 0.53. Nifty outlook. Nifty is likely to trade cautiously because Nifty is yesterday's trade dipped below the psychological 23,000 mark. Nifty, CMP 23025. Support, 22,900 to 22,850. Resistance, 23,150 to 23,200. Range, 22,850 to 23,200. Bias, sideways to bearish. Bank Nifty, CMP 48570. Support, 48,300 to 48,250. Resistance, 48,850 to 48,900. Range, 48,250 to 48,900. Bias, sideways to bearish. Interestingly, in yesterday's trade at Dalal Street, it was bears who welcomed Donald Trump's return to White House. Traders were seen keeping a close eye on growth prospects and inflation landscape under the new administration. Meanwhile, the three big catalysts. 1. The Federal Open Market Committee's next policy meeting on January 28 to 29. 2. The Union Budget 2025-26, scheduled for 1st February. 3. Delhi Assembly election voting on 5th February, results on 8th February. Buzzing stocks. 1. The corporate India's Q3 earnings to trickle in today. HDFC Bank, HUL, Pidilite, BPCL, Polycab, Persistent Systems, Coforge, Tata Communications. 2. Zomato continued to receive drubbing with a loss of over 10% in yesterday's trade after it reported a 57% YoY slide in net profit at 59 crore rupees for the October to December quarter, Q3 FY25. Sequentially, profit was down 66.5%. 3. Dixon Technologies dropped 14% despite reporting strong performance in the December quarter of FY25, Q3 FY25, exceeding expectations and showcasing robust growth. The company's mobile and electronics manufacturing services (EMS) division emerged as the primary engine of the company's growth during Q3. Massive profit booking blamed amidst stretched valuations. 4. ICICI Prudential Life Insurance reported a 43% jump in third quarter profit, driven by higher premiums from new policy sales. The life insurer reported a standalone profit of 326 crore rupees for the quarter ended DEC 31, compared to 227 crore rupees a year ago. 5. Lanti Finance Q3 result, consolidated net profit declined by 2% year-on-year, YoY, to 626 crore rupees for the quarter ended December 2024, Q3 FY25, reflecting pressure on net interest margins, NIMs, and a rise in impairment costs.